Welcome to the Daily Ref. Hi, I'm MP. In this tutorial, you'll learn a cool trick to extract desired data using the split column and conditional column tools in Power Query. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's tutorial. The problem. We have a dataset of 20 persons who responded to a survey of 3 products. For each person, we have their name, email address, and ratings for each of the 3 products. The following 2 criteria must meet for a survey to be considered as correct. 1. Every person should submit a rating for all 3 products. 2. A person cannot rate 2 products equally. We'll use the Power Query tools to extract persons and their email addresses who did not comply with the above-mentioned criteria. The solution. To make it easier to understand, I have divided the solution into a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Load data to Power Query. First, let's convert the data range into an Excel table. Select any cell in the data range. To turn the data range into an Excel table, press the shortcut key Ctrl+T. Press the OK button. Select any cell of the table. Go to the Data tab. Under the Get and Transform Data group, select the From Table/Range command. This will open a Power Query window alongside the data in the table. Give the query a meaningful name, for example, Responses. Step 2. Data Cleaning. Select the column in the Data Preview area. Go to the Transform tab. Under the Text column group, click on the Split column dropdown. Select the By Delimiter command in the dropdown. In the Split column by Delimiter dialog box, select the comma for the first dropdown. For the Split at, select the third radio button to split at each occurrence of the delimiter. Press the OK button. Give the column appropriate names. Check data type for each column. Name and email columns have a text data type. And the other 3 rating columns have a whole number data type. You can see our data has a couple of issues. For example, Chris did not submit a rating for 2 products. Whereas, Anne submitted the same rating value, 4, for 2 products, R1 and R3. In the next step, let's see how you can extract these persons. Step 3. Identify errant entries. In this step, I'll add a new flag column using the Conditional column tool. This column would help us to identify entries that aren't correct as per our criteria. Go to the Add Column tab. Under the General group, select the Conditional column command. Give this column a name, for example, Flag. Let's now set up the conditions based on our criteria. First, let's check if any of the ratings have the same value for any person. Set the if statements as shown. Note that for the value, we are using the Select a Column option. If any of these conditions are true, then the Flag column will have a value of yes in it. Now let's check for the null values in the rating columns. Set the conditions to check for null values as shown. For all other cases, set the no value for the Flag column in the last else text box. Press the OK button. Set the Flag column data type to text. Let's now filter the rows so we are left with the rows that we want. Click on the Filter drop-down menu of the Flag column. Select the Yes checkbox to show the flagged rows only. Click the OK button. Now we have only those persons who either didn't submit the rating or submitted the same rating value for different products. Step 4. Load data as Excel table. Let's load this data as an Excel table in a new worksheet. On the Home tab, click on the Close and Load command. In the drop-down, select the Close and Load to command. In the Import Data dialog box, select the Table and New Worksheet radio buttons. Press the OK button. You can see we have successfully imported the flagged or errant entries. You can now reach out to these persons using their emails to ask them to provide correct rating values. Disclaimer. These names and email addresses are fictitious. You'll not get any responses back. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your time. I'll see you with another useful tutorial in the next video.